Cześć wszystkim, nazywam się Paweł Buczek, witaj na kanale Na Muchę. Reservoir Clywedog.
And there's no sign to stop!
Hi Joe! Welcome back in Clywedog, first time in this year.
Yeah.
Obviously raining weather, nothing new.
Wind blowing, raining, yeah.
Yeah, but who knows, because we'll come out a little bit of sun later. I think we can go today from the bank fishing. I'm not really keen to going for the boat because of the really wet condition.
I don't want to get in a boat today.
Yeah, and me. So that is the lodge when you can get the tickets from. I cost 27, so they raised the price,
Yeah.
I guess, from the year ago. So that is a boat when you can rent it, and the boat's the car. So you pay £27 plus a 20 quid extra for the boat, isn't
I think
it?
it's £15 each if there's two of you.
Oh, okay.
So like for 42 or £3, you got two of you on the boat, £40 odd each, and you get out all day and you can take 6 fish.
Oh, that's cool.
6 fish each.
So shall we go inside and can pay for my ticket and off we go?
Yeah, that's £1. I'll have a look at the flies.
See you in a minute then.
You to lose.
You never can decide which one you want it.
There's too much choice, isn't there? I choose the ones for you to lose. That's
Oh,
it.
okay. You got your favorite one which you like to use it in here?
Nah, these.
Okay.
I catch a lot on them.
Don't forget you need to take a 2.
I'm always taking 2. So you got one to lose as well.
Okay, thank you. You got everything?
Yeah, I got everything.
I got my tickets on and I got new pair of glasses.
You have?
Long time ago I was thinking to get myself a yellow one. At least I found myself. They always got some good deal here. Woo, well windy.
Yeah.
Beautiful view, but well windy today.
So we're going up to Gromwell Field up there. It's the green bit.
Yeah.
So up past the up there and fish in that field.
Oh my God.
So the wind will be there, so it's in front of you.
You know what? I'm glad we decided to come in from the bank, not from the boat today.
Yeah, I don't think I
Oh, well wavy. I would be getting seasick.
Seasick, yeah.
Oh.
Oh my God,
But look at that, sun coming out. That's what he was looking on.
yeah.
Beautiful.
Go in the car and go up to there.
Off we go then. It's a stunning place. You can drive by the car all over the place.
Yeah, you see that up there.
You can go.
drive down to there. You see over there.
Yeah.
You see that little road?
Yeah.
There's a gate at the top.
Oh, yes,
you can
you're
drive
right.
down to there and fish in that bay if you're brave enough.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd be brave enough in my car, but
Like a real ballerina when we go down.
sometime when we come in yours, we'll risk it.
Yes, it is.
Not mine. Oh dear.
So they have a popular site, all of them named.
Yeah, that's where we are now.
Yep.
And we're going to drive up to here, park here, and fish this bit here. Because hopefully the wind's coming that way, and so we'll be able to cast.
I'm nearly ready, not like you. I wish to show you my fly one I'm using today. So that is my box of the flies when I will be using today. I was bought them specially for the reservoirs. That's how they look like, right?
Oh, cool.
So I use one of that one and one of the black ones.
And
It's only for the reservoir, so they quite a largest one, size like a really salmon size, really like big one. But only for that place I was bought them.
Look at how tidy yours is.
I know, but which one? Oh my God, the falling off yours.
What a mess. Never mind.
Okay, so you ready to go?
Yeah.
Which one are you using today then?
Snakes at the moment.
Snakes, okay. Let me know how did they go. Obviously on the snakes, I got some with me just in case, but I want to try that reservoirs flies what I got on me. I know they are on the floor. Yep, they're orange. I got the one orange, one black. Ready to rock and roll. I got with me today Agility from Shakespeare 9.6/7.
Yes.
That is the rod when I received from my wife for Christmas. That was the first ever rod when I practicing and try to
get the casting going.
Yeah, imagine that is like 3 years old. That is 3 years ago actually I started fishing. That was my first time. You are set up yourself with
Airflow DC2, which is 9'6". It's got a 7 weight on it. So
okay, so it's intermediate, I guess.
Yeah, intermediate.
My similar.
I can't see there being much going on the surface today.
And me. I got a intermediate line zone only because it's quite wavy today, so it would be well tricky and difficult to leave it dry fly on the top of the surface. But
we can always
yeah,
no distance, is it?
Here it is, but I got mine is 8 weight line on the 7 rod, #7, so a little bit much more heavier.
Yeah.
But I know from the years going fishing, it is no matter which kind of line you put in until you feel comfortable with it.
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
So you can put in on, for example, 5 line on this #7 rod.
Yeah.
There will be not make it so big difference.
What you're happiest with.
Exactly, so I'm looking for really long casts, and obviously we decide to go in the place when it's wind in our back,
Yeah.
which will be well helpful.
I like it when it comes from left to right.
Yeah, where do you want to start it from?
Well, you see where these fellas are fishing.
Well,
Straight in front of us itself.
yeah, off we go, first casts. John was already asked someone local what to do. Fella just comes in, he's got a 12. John is shouting to me, the Malden people here next to us, they're catching on the green and black, did you say? So,
We're on the snake.
oh look at that, Lucky Palmer. Lucky Palmer, I just said it.
Snake.
Oh, well done, John. Looks like it will be one of your days. Congratulations, you just comes in, you got a fish on. Long time that didn't rain, is it? British summer. I can't wait until we're becoming really proper summer when I can start use a dry fly on.
Yeah.
Oh, that will be a really brilliant to start using it. Oh, it's a big rainbow. John is laughing on me because I was borrowed with fly from him again, unprepped. John, I need your assist, mate.
Done it.
You reckon? Not the fly fisherman? Oh, the good rainbow. Oh, he's fighting well. It is fighting well. He's trying to escape. Keep holding him. Keep holding. It's a nice rainbow. Yeah. Oh no, not yet, not ready. Oh, come on. Yeah. Woohoo! First fish today. Come on. Good geese. Thank you. Bye. And he's gone. Bye. And another fish on. We're catching. We're catching. Mr. Palmer. I need your help again. Oh, another rainbow. Oh, that's what I'm coming here for. Rainbows! Good fighting fish. Oh. Good fighting fish.
Worm,
What you mean yours?
my squirmy worm.
It is, but I bought it from forever. It's really working well.
Yeah.
I can sit down, have a relax, and I can catch a fish after fish.
Excellent. Squirmy wormy. Okay.
Brilliant, really brilliant. Lovely fish it is.
Yeah.
A similar size than previously one.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a 4 pounds, I reckon.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't forget to give him a kiss from me.
Bugger off. It's insanitary.
Oh, give him a kiss. Bye fish, thank you for good fight. Oh, and he's gone. Other way, and he's gone. John will be hate me any minute. I got another one. Oh my god, the same spot once again. John Palmer, sorry mate, I got another one. You need to help me land it again.
Have you got a net? Oh, expertly done, sir. Expertly done. Now let's see you unhook him. What do you think now? Do you think I'm mad for paying the £400 a year?
No, you're not.
No.
You're coming here quite regularly.
Yeah.
You do it like twice a week.
Yeah.
It's obviously you walk there, spend money.
Yeah.
But you know me, I just got the time maybe once in 2 weeks time.
Yeah.
So it's for me the £400 straight on.
Yeah.
It's not really worth it.
No, right. I come once a week at least, all throughout the season. It's open for 9 months, and if I come once a week, you get it down to under £10. Well then, that's a really cheap day out, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Yeah.
It's a big place.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can't see any nowhere.
No, you can always find somewhere to be.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
It's absolutely a nice place. To be honest, I much prefer going to the river and nothing to that.
Yeah.
Right, but you see the stage of the rivers
Yeah.
all over around it. It's a chocolate grass and it's a bank of
Yeah.
There is not actually a place to go anywhere to go.
No.
Even when you see the season stuff.
Yeah.
It's not the point.
No. And here, if you want to, you can go up the legs here, and you can fish where the rivers come in.
Yes, that's my plan.
Yeah.
I will try to organize once a journey there.
Yeah.
So we'll be quite interested. I wish to have it known that they actually the fish they are taking from the reservoir are going upstream.
Yeah.
I'm well curious about it, they are or not.
Yeah.
We'll be off to have a try along the middle there.
Yeah. I mean, where they come into the lake, obviously there's plenty of water, but you've only got to go like half a mile upstream and there's nothing much, because we're right at the top. We're right in the top of the mountains. But everywhere you look, there's little streams coming in, aren't there? Little bits on. Oh, of course, it's been raining all year, so we got plenty of water. This is just about full. You can see this is almost full. But in the midsummer, like you're another 10-15 feet down that way, but it doesn't make any difference. Still great fishing. Lovely, yeah.
Absolutely amazing fishing from the bank.
Yeah. Yeah.
Make yourself really fast.
You can fish off the fishing your wellies, can't you? I bring my missus up, and she comes and sits, and the weather's nice. Got a lovely lodge, and you can get a cup of coffee, and they got some snacks and that there. And we go and park up and have a day there by the lodge.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah, it is.
No doubt, definitely worth it. And they're surrounded. It's amazing.
Oh, good eye. And we got the ospreys to come yet. We stand here and watch ospreys fishing. It'd be great fun.
Oh no, I'm just retrieving. I want to go for lunch break. Come on. Number 10, magic number. I think the most biggest score where I have it here, there was 14.
Was it?
Yeah.
Not on the boat?
Yes, and I was with you on the boat. So it's a big close to reach my record. Look at that, another rainbow. Oh, big fish as well. Good fighting fishes.
Woo, baby!
What's a day, John?
What a day!
One after another. Oh my god. What's a day? Come on, hurry up. I want to catch another one. Oh.
Here's one of the lads coming by on one of the boats, number 3, coming number 3. They've got 30 odd boats on there, they're usually 2-man. So you go to a boat, but you can have it on your own. I don't know quite how much it costs to have the boat for yourself. But it is getting a bit blowy now, nearly past that in, so we'll give it another hour and see how we get on, and then head for the hills. But it's been a cracking day today. Me and Pav have come to Llyn Clywedog today, up by Llyn in mid Wales, right up in the mountains. It's a lovely big reservoir. You can come and fish here for £27, fish off the bank like we've been doing, and you're allowed 6 fish in that, and they aren't little. I mean, the stockies are £2.5, you can get them up to 10. But there are some bigger ones. There's some browns, wild ones in here. It's mainly rainbows, a few blues, odd tiger, but they're all of a good stamp, a good size. They are, aren't they? Yeah, good fish, and they fight like hell because they got a lot of room. So if you do hook one and it's a bit of a size, don't be surprised if it don't try and pull your rod in, Pav.
Oh, yes.
He nearly lost his rod earlier on. He put it down to talk to me, and then I had to dive and save it because it started off towards the lake.
You're my hero.
I'm the hero. As you can see though, it is, even today when it's cold, wet and miserable, there's very little in the way of sunbeam today. But this is just the one piece of it. It goes up 2 different legs up that direction, one there and one there. It goes down past the lodge and around by the sailing club and down to the dams. It's enormous. If you want a boat, you can rent a boat as well, and they give you the life jacket in the cost of it. And 2 of you on the boat, I think it's very good value, because £27 for the fishing, and I think it's £15 each for the boat. So for like 45 quid, you've got a day out on a lovely piece of water and a chance of catching quite a lot of fish. I mean, Pav's had 12 so far today. I've had 14 or 15. I think I've lost about 6 or 7, but it's been a cracking day, even though the weather's been quite bad. It's always good fun here.
Hi everyone.
Hi guys.
John, thank you very much. I had the most fantastic day in the year.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazed. Even so, I changed my line today 3 times, from the full sinking up to full sink.
Yeah.
I got a lot. Really big fish.
You enjoyed yourself.
I did.
I did too. It was a bonus day for me. I wasn't supposed to be fishing today, but I'm really glad that I was able to come.
Oh,
Top notch.
I had a 12, I lost it 6.
Yeah.
If I would be done lost them 6, I would beat my record. Really, absolutely amazing day. But he's the winner. Obviously, John. He's always the winner.
Not always.
You are.
No.
How many did you hit it?
18.
Oh my god, 18 fish.
Yeah.
To be honest, after 12, I start feeling my shoulder.
Yeah.
And I bet with you tomorrow, I would be, I can't move.
Yeah, that's it. I know. But it's worth it. Isn't it?
It is absolutely worth it. Brilliant.
Oh, marvelous place to come.
Yeah, my winning fly, there was fly like that.
Yeah.
And I know John showed me that fly, so he used it exactly the same.
I bought 2 of them this morning, didn't I? Yeah.
Yes, you did.
I said, I always use that here.
Absolutely amazed, really.
We caught a lot of fish on it.
Yeah,
Always
worth it?
have to. Oh, absolutely.
No doubt.
Bonus days are best days.
Yes, it is. Thank you very much, John.
Cheers,
One more
boy.
time.
See you guys.
Find the lines, everyone.
Take care.